Hey guys, it's Shannon. It is the best day of the week. It is a fix day. I'm here to show you my second November fix. It is an 8-item fix, and I think it's okay. I have to confess, as you guys know, I'm a stylist. It's just fixed, and I get too many fixes. So sometimes I feel like I've already gotten all the best things. So this one, we'll see how it turns out. But before I jump into the fix, I wanted to show you guys something I was so excited to find. Look at this really fun cotton cardigan I found at my local Goodwill. I do love Stitch Fix, as you guys know, but I'm also big into secondhand, vintage, and thrifted clothes. I just think mixing the new with the old just really creates unique looks and just gives me a lot of personality. So I found this yesterday. This is actually from a brand called Iveco, which is some kind of Serbian boutique knitwear brand, and I'm just super thrilled about this. It washed up really nice. I don't think it had been worn because there were still some tags on it. And I just think it's such a fun piece. It's very boho inspired, which I do like. And then I'm pairing it with a pair of Prosperity denim that has the cute boot cut and embroidery, which are Stitch Fix. And then actually, it's interesting, this shirt is vintage Stitch Fix, which I actually thrifted for the full look. So anyway, I thought we would just start with something kind of fun and different. Like I said, I love the mixing and matching. I think that's what gives me the most joy. So let's jump into the fix though. All right, I'm wearing the first two pieces. So on top, I'm wearing this Market and Spruce. I believe it's a Fair Isles cardigan. Fair Isles refers to this kind of fun pattern. And then on bottom, I am wearing a pair of Silver Jeans Co. Slim boot cut in indigo, size 12. The sweater is $59, the jeans are $104. I'm not in love with either of these. I feel like the jeans just feel like proportion a little off. They're supposed to be a 33 inseam, but they just don't seem quite that long. And then the sweater is cute, but I'm not sure if it's my style. Let me do a quick spin. It is cute though, it is on trend. It's nice and cozy, very well made. So if you're interested in this style, it's a good thing to try. Well, let's move on to some other things. All right, I have on the next two pieces. So I have on a pair of Days denim. These are the downtown high-rise split slim straight jean in size 12 indigo, $108. And then on top, I have on the Pale Sky. It's called the Edwina button-down shirt. It's on sale for $33, size large. I'll come a little closer. So the shirt, as you can see, is a lace little button-down. It comes with a cami that snaps on the inside. I do sort of like this as sort of this romantic version of a white blouse. It is nice. It's on sale. So the shirt is a maybe. I'm kind of feeling like I wish the arms were a smidge longer, but they're not bad. But yes, this is cute. Let's talk about the jeans. I just don't think they're for me. So if you can see, there is like a split right there. They're really high-waisted, so they feel kind of almost too high-waisted. I just don't feel good in the cut, if that makes sense. Like, they don't feel uncomfortable. They just don't make me feel like sexy or flattering or all the things you want to feel. So I will do a quick spin. They are a nice jean though, and I think they could work on a lot of women, just not my vibe. All right, next I have on the Dean Nara drop shoulder button-down blouse. It's a dark pink and red floral. It is size large. It's new. It's $59. So it's a sort of a satiny button-down. It's actually got really nice little cloth-covered buttons. It is actually very pretty. I like it. I don't know if I love it, but I think it's a cute top. And I do sort of like floral button-downs. I have a few. It does feel kind of dressy, feminine. It's great for the office with trousers. You could definitely wear it with jeans or a pencil skirt for, again, work, or maybe a night out with girlfriends. So yes, this is nice. I don't know if anything so far has really wowed me, but everything has been nice. All right, next item is this off-the-shoulder black sweater, I believe by Market and Spruce. No, actually it's Montgomery Post, another Stitch Fix brand. This is on sale for $36. I kind of just want to try it. I don't know if I'm an off-the-shoulder person. I feel like I just like things up. But it is cute. It's very warm, actually, even with the off-the-shoulder. And it is comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's moving too much. That's always the issue, is you feel like it's always bumping up. I do feel like it's staying in place, but obviously we're not doing a lot of moving right now. I'll do a quick spin. All right, a few more things to show you guys. All right, next I have on a brown short sleeve sweater by Montgomery Post. It is $49, size large. So I've been looking at brown sweaters to wear with this one skirt that I thrifted, which is actually kind of gone out of my mind trying to find this match. I think this might be the best I've found so far, but now I'm kind of rethinking this monochromatic look. I actually have worn this skirt with like a pink or cream, and it looks just as nice. So I'm not sure I need this, but I do think it matches pretty well. It's not perfect. What do you guys think? All right, I have one more item to show you, which I'm not sure what I was thinking. Sometimes when I style myself, I do some crazy stuff. All right, I have on the last item. And again, I'm just not sure what I was thinking when I styled myself. This is a Steve Madden apparel. It's called the Adelina dress. They call it light purple. There's purple, and it's kind of almost, there's like peachy pink in here. It is sort of an abstract floral with obviously some ruffle details, size large. It's on sale for $69. It is very pretty. I don't know where I'm going for this in November or December. It definitely is a spring summer dress. It's definitely like a summer wedding or a summer happy hour. It's definitely not a work dress considering the cleavage and just the vibe of it, but it is cute. Like I said, I'm not sure what I was thinking when I threw this in my cart. I guess maybe just pretty. I'll turn around here. So that is my fix, you guys, and it was a little bit wonky. I don't know what, like I said, nothing really like wowed me. What did you guys think? Unfortunately, my previous fix was really good, but I didn't film it. I was busy last month with a lot of stuff going on with my kids and my husband, and I just didn't have time, but my last fix was really nice, so maybe I'll have to make a video showing what I kept out of that one. But what do you guys think about this one? I think it was okay. Not bad. I have the style pass, and so I get a lot of fixes, so I'm okay if I have a dud, because I'll just get another one, and it'll probably be great. Anyway, let me know what you guys are getting in your fixes, what you're liking, any trends you're in here for. Are you liking the chocolate brown? Are you liking the Fair Isle sweaters? Kind of what are you seeing? And let me know below. Please subscribe and give me a like if you like this kind of video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.